Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanra speed daga fatafat online shopping store.
Myntri ka tanar ka Koit ka Khiah jong ka jelaw ba hek lambat ki officer ka Koit ka Khiah hne ka sngi ka khatlai tarik unai tung kila Leit Jurip ka containment area jong ka Keating road baglai kran ru ba urang ba shnong ka ne ka than lambat ki COVID-19 community management team na ka benta bante la kam ka jing sa phriang jong niu khnyang jing pang ba shir khai ha ka jo ka por ka wei ka dukan ba ka wei ka yeng ha ka ne ka jaka la khang dam no khnang barum dan ka jing rong yami Uba hek lei thu bagani ke jingwan jurep kalong banon I se megani ke shnong bar ban yakandu bad yakran bakinong panya shnong lembat ki community management team
From the COVID-19 committee of the Keating Road said there's nobody has come from the government side. So I said yes, of course I spoke yesterday that today we have come and ensure that to building confidence to the people who are residing in this area and also to ensure maximum those people who are staying here, they should not be completely, we have declared a containment area. Neither we allow anyone to go in nor we allow anyone from inside to come out. We have to assess the situation. Unless we assess the situation, we will not be able to tell you what will be happen next.
So how do you see it now?
At the moment after giving the lockdown today and tomorrow, I've not seen so much spread been taking place. Of course, you cannot be predict what will happen next. Okay, but as much as we have to do the control management. So from the government side, we have done as much as possible to control this situation.